So resources chapter we're doing, and question answers we were discussing. Some of the questions we have already done, some are left. So let's proceed with the next question. And I'm asking question, only question from Nandani. Yes, Nandani. Question, bache.
Yes, ma'am. Why are human resources important?
Wow, what a question. Why are human resources important? I mean, you can write a full-fledged essay on that.
मैम कल आपने शब्द को कहा था कि स्किल का मतलब लेकर आए.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Shabad is here right now, or he's absent today? Okay, we'll discuss the meaning of skill after the discussion of this question, which we have asked right now. Huh? So question is importance of human resource. Why they are considered to be important resource? Okay, let's start. सबसे पहले जिसका हाथ मुझे ऐसे दिख रहा है, I'm coming to Akul. Akul.
Yes.
Hmm.
Human resources, we can convert ourselves into human resources whenever we have knowledge, skill, and technology. Human resources, with the help of natural resources, make human-made resources. Human resources are very important and they're ranked always at the top. Human resources are very important in the following ways. They can make the best use of natural resources by their technology, skills, and creativity. Skills of human beings is transferring a waste and physical material into a valuable resource. Education help in making people a valuable resource.
Good answer. Appreciable. Very right. Human resource. Okay. Coming to Arish now. Ji,
Yes,
bhai
ma'am.
ji.
People make human resources. People can make the best
People
use of
make
nature.
people make human resources.
Ma'am, are human resources. Sorry,
Huh?
are human resources. People are human resources.
हाँ. हाँ. Okay. हाँ.
People are human resources. They can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have knowledge, skill, and technology. Because that is why human resource is a very
No.
special resource.
Okay. Knowledge, skill, and technology. And one thing is, Arish, you are missing here. Any one of you?
Education
And
helps in
creativity.
making human
मैम
resources.
क्रिएटिविटी.
No. Education is knowledge, Arish.
Ma'am, it helps in making human resources.
No. Very right. Very right. आपने जो बोला, this is not wrong. आपने बोला knowledge, this knowledge, skill, and technology, है ना?
Technology.
हाँ. I'm saying one thing is missing here.
Creativity.
No.
Ma'am, education.
No. Knowledge is education.
Ma'am,
Hmm? Any one of you
मैम
speak of which?
efficiency of converting
Ma'am, healthy people.
valuable.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
that's
health.
correct. That's correct. Sanvi, I guess, है ना? Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Health. हरीश, हमें health चाहिए, हमें knowledge चाहिए, हमें health है, knowledge है, मतलब education है, तो technology automatically हो जाएगी, है ना? So तीन चीजें हमें चाहिए basically. Knowledge चाहिए, health चाहिए, technology चाहिए. तीनों मिल गए तो resource बन जाएगा कोई भी चीज. अगर healthy ही नहीं है, take an example, say right now doctors are serving the humanity. They should be healthy right now.
Ma'am, please add Shabad.
Yes.
Ma'am, please add Shabad. He is in a waiting room.
Beta ji, nothing. No, nothing is showing to me here. No one is waiting in room. So if he'll enter, if
Okay.
he'll ask permission, I'll definitely enter him. Okay? So he's
Okay.
not here. He's not visible to me right now. So we were talking about three things which are essential for any human being to turn into a resource. Human being to turn into a resource, we require education, we require health, we require what else? Skill or technology or knowledge. ठीक है जी? Yes, Karen Narish.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, done, ma'am. Health, education, health, ma'am. All the points.
Okay, okay. It's not elaborated
Excuse, ma'am.
answer. It's not, Sanvi, hold on. It's not an elaborated answer. Arish, answer is correct. But उसको ऐसे ना चुंबर निकाल के पकड़ा दिया आपने मुझे. I want detailed answer. I told you, you people can write an essay on it. Coming to Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi, you're raising, asking something. Yes, Bataji.
Ma'am, I want to give answer.
Sure, बच्चा.
Human resource is very important resource as it has power to draw out the value from other resources.
Very
Healthy
right.
education.
First thing is human resources are very important because it has a power to develop any natural resource. But with the help of technology, with the help of knowledge, and if human beings are healthy. Carry on, बच्चे.
Healthy, educated, and motivated people develop the resources.
Very right.
It is
Healthy, educated, and very important, motivated. Motivated is extraordinary point here. They are essential. Motivation is what? Motivated. You should be every time you should be motivated to do something new. अगर आपने motivation ही नहीं है, how can you develop a resource? अगर आइंस्टाइन में motivation ना होती तो कैसे discoveries inventions होती? अगर
yes 1000 टाइम पे उसका सफल हुआ था.
yes, motivation is required. I have to do it. I have to prove it. I have to prove myself. Motivation. That is deadly required
Ma'am, interest.
to develop any resource. I'll come to you, Ananya, later on. Let Sanvi should complete it. Yes, Sanvi?
if people have skill technology, so they can change the world.
If people have skill and technology, they can change the world. Now, I'm coming to that point now, skill here. Shabad, though he's not here right now in this class, maybe, I don't know, where is he? So, skill is most important thing. Now, what is skill? Anyone?
Ma'am,
What?
expertise.
Ma'am, the
Expertise.
ability to do any work.
No,
Ma'am, it is expertise.
it is expertise. Very right. In a simple word, Harman is speaking the meaning of skill in a simple word. Yes, Harman?
Ma'am, the ability to do any work.
Do any work.
Yes,
Do a
ma'am.
specific work. है ना? Skill.
Ma'am, it is interest.
Interest नहीं.
Ma'am, you are expert in
जैसे कि
anything.
मैम मेरे अंदर स्किल है कि अब मैं मैकेनिक हूँ. मैम एग्जांपल.
हाँ, exactly. जैसे मेरे में skill है, मैं
skill-
आंखें बंद करके मैप बना सकती हूँ. This is my skill. Expertise. We are expert in that. Doctors have a skill to treat the patient. A driver has a skill to drive the bus or the car. Getting? You people have a skill to make flowers and decorate and something creative. बच्चे ज़्यादातर होते हैं ऐसे. Skill. Teacher has a skill to teach the subject in a proper way. Skill. Getting me? Like a plumber, skill to fix all the जो भी washroom में sanitation we need. Plumber has a skill. Mason has a skill to construct a building. Skill. Skill is an ability to do something in a perfect way. That is a skill. Expertise. Sanvi has used a very good word with the, for this. बच्चे, no one is asking here for me. मैं कैसे किसको बुला के थोड़ी घर से कर दूंगी? हरमन.
मैम उसने ग्रुप में मैसेज डाला है.
I know, but yeah, right now I can't see anything. Let me check once again. If someone would come, yeah, okay. Yeah, they are here now.
For
Okay,
Ma'am, may I
yes.
start?
Just hold on. Okay. So later on, I'll take the attendance of all those who are coming late. Yes, Sanvi, carry on, bachche.
For example, Japan is very poor in natural resources, but at the same time, they are very rich in human resources. So that's why Japan is the largest and most innovative country, most powerful in human resources.
Largest नहीं है. Innovative
Okay,
है.
ma'am.
Yeah, innovative है.
Yes.
Largest हो गया मतलब huge in size है ना, बड़ी है सबसे. वो बड़ी छोटी सी है बेचारी और वैसे ही पतली सी है. Sea में है, totally island country है. That is also in a broken area, a mountainous region it is having. So largest नहीं है, right? But
Okay.
example is perfectly correct. Japan, skilled people are there. They have worked on the skill of human development. उन्होंने human beings, so they have converted human beings into a human resource by adding skills in them. 100% correct answer or explanation, Sanvi. You are making highly satisfied from your answer. Yes.
Ma'am, I have to give another example. Let's take an example. If we are having petroleum, but we are not having human resource, so who is going to make machines and draw that petrol and then use it in vehicles and then save it for future generation?
Exactly. Suppose we have petroleum, but अगर human beings we don't have, If we don't have human resource, who is going to drill the petroleum? Who is going to take it out? Who is going to purify it? Skill is required. Whatever resources we are talking about, whatever, with all these resources are useless until or unless human beings are there to use the resource. पानी आपके पास पड़ा हुआ है, आपको पानी से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यू वांट टू प्रोड्यूस, पानी है, आप हो, बट यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट.
करके प्रोड्यूस करेंगे.
हाँ, yes.
मैम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करके प्रोड्यूस हो जाएगी.
Okay, I'm just giving you an example. कि resources were there, resources are there, human beings are there, but जब तक we don't have a skill, we don't have a technology, we cannot use our resource. Number of time I've given the example of solar energy. Sun कब से है, but right now we are able to use this sun as a solar energy. We can produce electricity from it just because of human resource, not from human being. हम सारे human being हैं, but whenever we will use our skills, will develop, हम अपना कुछ brain का कुछ एक particular चीज में बहुत excel करेंगे, expertise बन जाएंगे, skill we will develop, will turn into a resource, and that is required actually. So Sanvi, your answer is perfectly correct. Akul, your answer was perfectly correct. Arish, your answer was perfectly correct, but Arish's answer was bit, it was not an elaborated way, but main points
I
were
want
there.
to add a line, ma'am.
Yeah, sure, bache.
Ability to extract value from all other resources.
Ability to
Any
extract
resource.
values. Yeah, right. Say we have a mountainous area. हम ये सोच के बैठ जाएं कि mountain है ना? जैसे I think there was one movie on this one person, Manchi Rao, if I'm not wrong. He cut down the mountain and constructed a rasta, tunnel from that area, है ना? Ananya knows. Yes, Ananya. You want? हाँ जी, Ananya. I have no idea. मुझे मैंने सुना है.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? That is what? That is motivation. Motivation थी, he wanted to, उसकी शायद family में कोई death हुई थी and he was not able to reach to the hospital, and that was his motivation कि वो नहीं चाहता था कि ऐसे किसी की death हो क्योंकि रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा. हाँ, बाकियों के साथ. That was the motivation for him. He developed his skills, he used his skills. skill क्या थी? उसको तोड़ना आता था, तो उसने mountain को तोड़ा और रास्ता बना दिया, and that जो रास्ता बनाया made by that Manjiram, it became so and so much helpful for the people living in the village, या other villages of that area. That is what. ये skill का मतलब ये नहीं है कि we should be extraordinary educated. कोई भी बंदा skill develop कर सकता है, expertise बन सकता है, but we should have motivation, we should have passion for that. So clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ji. Let's carry on with the next question. And question I'll ask from Harman.
Ma'am, what is sustainable development?
Oh, very simple question. Sustainable development. What do you mean by it? Yes. Except these few students, who else? There are number of. Diya, where were you yesterday? You were not in the class?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम. मैम मैं कल थी क्लास में.
I announced your name. I asked question from you, but there was no reply from your side, and I got surprised कि दिया तो हमेशा reply करती है. चलो, that's really good. Nice to see you once again here in the class. But I would like to ask question from someone else.
Okay.
Sruchi Dabra. Yes, Sruchi. Okay. Those who were deadly. Raghav is here today. Raghav Jain.
Ma'am, yes.
Raghav Jain. Are you here?
No, he is not there.
He has
No,
left.
he is
Left
not.
the class.
He entered the class. He has left the class. And just
मैंने
give
कल
the
उसको
message.
मैसेज डाला था तो वो
I
कह रहा
know.
था कि इसकी इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम आ रही है.
Okay, but he entered the class. I saw him. Okay, coming to Shabad, there was some homework given to you. Shabad,
मैम यस
हाँ जी, तो आंसर दीजिए बेटा जी. I'm waiting.
मैम स्किल का मतलब
हाँ,
मैम स्किल जैसे किसी चीज के बारे उसको अच्छी तरह जांच के फिर उसके बारे समझ के फिर उस काम को करना.
हाँ, वेरी राइट. बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छी तरह चीज को समझना, जानना, फिर उसके बारे में करना और उसमें एक्सपर्ट बन जाना. That is skill. Very right. So today you have become skillful because you have got the meaning of this word skill, Shabad. आपने अच्छी तरह से सोचा, पढ़ा, ढूंढा और आंसर दिया. Right now we can say yes, you have learned the meaning of that. Good. Okay, coming to answer now. Coming to Dia. Dia, coming back to you only.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, my dear.
We should use resources in such a balanced way that we satisfy our needs as well as conserve them for future. This concept is called sustainable development.
Is that enough? Otherwise, correct. 2 lines you have spoken perfectly correct. Sustainable development means when we are thinking about the future, we are developing the resources but keeping future in mind. We are not wasting the resources. Development is going on, but side by side we are taking care of the environment. That is sustainable development. And there are some more students who are raising their hand and very anxiously and enthusiastically they want to give answer. And anyone out of those 3, Akul, Ananya, and Harman, I won't take your name. You will speak immediately. Ananya. Yes, Ananya.
Yes, ma'am. So sustainable development means using resources wisely without damaging the environment and keeping in the mind the need of the future generations. This can be achieved by making the right balance between using the resources to meet our present needs and conserving them for future.
Perfect. Right. Some problem is in your speaker, I guess. Some problem. Otherwise, I got the answer. No problem. Was there in the answer? Akul, last question from last answer from Akul. Yes, Akul.
And yes, development made for balancing the need to use resources and also conserving them for our survival is called sustainable development. Our future and planet's future is totally linked with these resources. Right balance should be made between renewable resources to meet a person's need and also conserve them side by side.
That's right. So sustainability development means the development, which whatever development we are making, we are taking care of the future, we are taking care of the environment, we are not wasting the resources, rather we are using the resource in optimum way, because we know some of the resources are, maximum of the resources are non-renewable, would definitely come to an end, we can't waste it, we can't dare to waste it. So such type of development, when we take care of our future, when we take care of our environment, when we don't do any kind of wastage, is known as sustainable development. Done? How many questions are left now? All done?
And yes,
Yes, all done.
All done.
हम आगे
All
tick
done.
the correct answer है.
Harman, do we need to? Chalo karo. Harman would speak all the questions. Take the correct. But these questions we are not supposed to do it on a notebook. Pata hai na?
Yes.
Only lengthy we have to do. Yes, Harman, speak up beta.
Which one of the following does not make substance a resource? Utility, value, या quantity?
Utility, value, या quantity. Yes.
Quantity.
Quantity. That's correct. Quantity. Harman, next.
Which one of the following is a human made resource? Meditation.
Harman, repeat beta.
Which one of the following is a human made resource? Medicines to treat cancer, spring water, tropical forests.
ये तो मुझे भी पता है. Medicines to cure water.
Medicines.
हाँ, medicine, very simple, है ना? Okay, next, Harman.
Complete the statement. Non-renewable resources are those which have limited stock, made by human beings, derived from non-living things.
Okay.
Those which have limited stock.
Limited stock. That's correct. That's correct. Next, beta.
Ma'am, khatam.
Bas, chapter is over.
Yes.
Chapter is over. Matlab syllabus is over. Syllabus is over means time has come when we have to start the revision. Revision we have to start. It means after that we have to appear in exams. After that we have to appear in exams means our notebook should be up to mark. And very important thing, questions would come from the book, not from the back exercise. This you know very, very, very well. So for this, you have to go through the chapter thoroughly. Any line can come in the form of MCQ. Any line can be in the form of 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 5 mark question. And I hope and I know all this class, otherwise always is a very good class. All of you are very responsive. मोटिवेटेड हो, हमेशा सुनते भी हो, आंसर्स भी देते हो, बी लाइक दिस ओनली, हमेशा ऐसे ही रहना जैसे हो, ठीक है जी। सो चैप्टर इज ओवर. So many of you are keep on sending me the notebooks, and I have checked all the notebooks, whatever you have sent it to me. I have returned all the notebooks also side by side. But abhi ye chapter, the last chapter which we have done today is Wednesday. Enough time I'm giving to you, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let it be on Monday. ठीक है जी? Monday, after Monday, what I will do, I'll check the notebook. Monday के बाद I will delete the copy checking group of this class. Got it? Deletion
अगर
of,
हमारा पहले हो जाए तो हम पहले भेज दें.
हाँ श्योर भेज सकते, वेरी राइट, श्योर यू कैन,
मैम आज
या एनी टाइम इफ यू हैव डन, मतलब मंडेज आर लिमिट टू दोज हु डोंट सेंड, otherwise if you have done right now you can send it right now even, no problem is there. But what I am saying right now, Monday के बाद this group of notebook checking would be deleted. What does it indicate? After this I'm not going to check any of the notebook of 8th B. Make this thing very clear in your mind. And don't send notebooks on my personal number. Personal number तो वैसे ही मैंने check नहीं करनी, because groups if I made, you have to go through the groups. ठीक है? After Monday, Tuesday, you won't see any group of notebooks. Then you would be in trouble. फिर अंडा in front of your notebook. You know very well 5, 5, 5, 5, 20 marks is totally in my hand. Actually, is in your hand. So if you won't submit the notebook, automatically you won't get marks. Right, beta? So today you can send notebook, tomorrow you can send notebook, no problem, but not after Monday. Right? Okay. There is one exercise तो नहीं कहेंगे हम लोग इसको, but there is something which I would like to discuss with you people is from the book only. So आपको ये सोचना है and you have to let me know. या करना है, करना मतलब practically नहीं कर सकते. Pretend that you live in the, is from the book only, prehistoric times on a high windy plateau. What are the uses you and your friend could put the fast winds? Can you call the wind as a resource?
Ma'am,
Yes.
yes, we can call the wind as a resource.
Yes, Shabad, you want to say something? Yes, Shabad. Sameer, stop eating your nails.
Ma'am, yes, we can call the wind as a resource.
Sameer, Shabad, Ansar, Harman, I'm not asking from you now. Shabad. Shabad has disappeared.
Yes.
हाँ शबद आंसर, मैंने छोटे से
Ma'am, question.
Okay, pretend you live in the prehistoric times, बहुत पहले, जब early man का time,
Yeah.
on a high windy plateau, that plateau where wind is extremely high, speed fast चल रही है. What are the uses you and your friend could put the fast winds to? Can you call the wind as a resource in a prehistoric time?
Yes.
Yes, कैसे भाई? याद रखना आप प्री हिस्टोरिक अर्ली मैन हो आप.
Yes.
Behave like an early man. Think like an early man.
Ma'am, no.
No. क्या no?
मैम अर्ली मैन के पास तो टेक्नोलॉजी वगैरह skills वगैरह तो होती नहीं थी.
Exactly. उसके पास वो टेक्नोलॉजी ही नहीं थी. उस टाइम तो कपड़े भी नहीं होते थे. हम कहें कि yes, wind से कपड़े सूख जाते थे, है ना? He was not aware. He was not aware. He didn't know about technology. Yes, Arish, you want to say something regarding this? Yes, Arish, carry on, brother. No.
Ma'am, in prehistoric times, ma'am, wind could not be used for as a resource because there was nothing technology and skill for wind could be used as a resource.
Because
present times it can be used.
Present time it can be used. Very right. Yes, Harman.
मैम yes it can be a resource because मैम उस टाइम पे मैम हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी मीन्स दैट हमारे पास फैंस नहीं होते थे, ना ही मैम हमारे पास एसीज वगैरह होते थे ताकि हमारे को समर्स में हवा मिल सके. तो मैम विंड कैन बी अ रिसोर्स इन समर्स.
Wind can be a resource in summer. मतलब it cools down the temperature, ये कह सकते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that point of view, it can act as a resource. But if we are talking from technology point of view, it does not at all in the prehistoric time period. Done? Okay. Next, I'm asking from Samir, are you here? Yes, you're very much here. You can listen to me also, है ना? Right, Samir? Very good, beta ji. This is for you, Samir. Now imagine that you are living in the same place in the year 2038. Oh my God. मतलब future. हम future में जा रहे हैं. And do you think you can put the winds to any use? How can you explain it, and why, and which resources do you need? 2038 future. Yes, Samir, try it, beta.
No, ma'am.
We cannot use wind as a resource, बच्चे. Or
Hey,
you
ma'am,
don't.
yes.
क्या? Yes or no? Speak up. Yes, Shabad. You're raising your hand, my dear. Shabad. Shabad,
Yes.
Answer. You're showing me a fan, you're showing me a laptop, you're showing me a house, but you're not showing your face to me.
Hafiz.
हाँ जी. Answer, beta ji.
Yes, we can use the wind as a resource in 2038. Ma'am, by the following ways. Ma'am, कपड़े सुखा सकते हैं. We can dry.
कपड़े तो 2038 में टेक्नोलॉजी से हम कपड़े सुखाएंगे. कपड़े तो विदाउट टेक्नोलॉजी ऑल्सो गेट्स ड्राई अप. इफ विंड इज ब्लोइंग एंड उसमें गीले कपड़े डाल दो, इट वुड ड्राई ऑटोमेटिकली. ओके. और 2038 मतलब कमिंग आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स हम कपड़े सुखाएंगे.
No.
हाँ. Okay. Otherwise, it is a resource for drying our clothes. That's correct. ये wrong नहीं है. But we are talking about the time period 2038 future. Harman, coming to you last. इसके बाद we have to go because time is up. Yes, Harman. Fast.
Ma'am, yes, we can. Yes, it is. Wind is a resource, ma'am. As हम coolers की भी example ले सकते हैं. मैम वो बाहर से हवा खींचते हैं और हमें देते हैं फिर ठंडा करके. और मैम we can take, हाँ, electricity generate करने के लिए मैम windmills की तरह हम use कर सकते हैं उसे.
We are already using it, है ना? Arish, you want to say something or you were speaking to someone else?
Ma'am, windmills
Windmills, okay.
can be used.
Yes,
And ma'am,
Oh.
wind energy.
Wind
can
energy.
also
Already
use.
we are using. So with this, I have